Resilient Tourism Project is a project that has got more than 35 partners from the ground, from the industry, and more than 6 universities working together. It's one of the first cases, in my opinion, where there is an open public call about tourism, and the industry and the academia responded in that way. And it's fantastic to see how creativity is sparkling among universities and among partners. So this project is giving us the possibility of enhancing tourism competition at Swiss and international level.
Yeah, in our sub-project we are talking about data and data standards. That is a layer, a technical layer, and the conference brings together our partners. This is very important because a technical layer doesn't work with just techniques. It needs the people who want everything that is in the technical layer, and the people that are informed what is going on next in the technological layer.
I think it's a no-brainer. Digitalization has to happen, and Swiss tourism has to follow digitalization. As we heard earlier in the conference, data and digitalization is a strategic asset. So it's a competitive advantage if you do digitalization correctly. So if you think about what your needs are from a business side, but also what the needs are from your clients, customers, guests.
As I mentioned before, I really believe that this is the place where we can meet the like-minded people. And the energy we generated when we interact with like-minded people is amazing. And it lasts after the event, because the pleasure to be able to share our insight, our reflection with other people who truly understand and resonate with you, this is priceless.